So good morning, everyone. I am Kanchan Jha, Assistant Professor from Sage University, Bhopal. And today we are going to learn about the creating quiz form by the using of Google. For that, we need a Gmail ID, I think which is everyone have. After logging in your Gmail ID, just go to on the Google Apps. From there, you have to select the forms. If you want some predefined format, then you can select from here. Otherwise, you have to select a blank format. To making quiz, just go to the setting and then click on the button to make this a quiz. If you want your user get the immediate answer, then just click on immediate after each submission, and otherwise you have to click on later after manual reviews. After making this a quiz, just go to the question section, format your title section, which you want to give here a title, you can put that. For example, I am taking digital marketing. As you can see, if when I write digital marketing, my Google Forms name become a digital marketing. When I after this, if I want some image to make it attractive or user friendly, then just click on the image section and go to the device from where you want to take your image. Just select the image and upload it. If you want give image title, then you can write here, otherwise you can leave it. If you want your image to represent in center or right or left, you have to select that. For example, I am taking it in center alignment. It's look like this. After that, you can add question in another section. Here I am taking the example of which is not a browser. Here I'm taking some options. After putting the options, you have to define the correct answer. For that, just click on the answer key, give here some point, whatever points you want to give, 1 point, 2.3 or 4 point. Then go to the add answer feedback, just click on correct answer and write here your correct answer and then save it. After that, just click on the correct option also and then put on done. If you want user cannot leave any question, every question is important, then just click on the required option. I'm going to add another section also for question. For that, you have to just click on the plus symbol or add question. Here I am putting another question. What is search engine? Then just for adding correct answer, click on answer key, add the points, Then go to the add answer feedback, click on correct answer, just paste your answer here and then save it and click on here also and then click on done. In this way, you can create a Google quiz form. With the help of that, you can take exam of your children's or your members in view. You can see here from preview. In this manner, you can see your question paper will be look like this. Okay, we are going to see how responses looking like. For example, I am going to click this one. I have already created a form. As you can see here, 16 responses are stored. After taking exam, you can see your responses from here, that how many answers are correct, how many answers are wrong. If you want, you can download answers from here also. As you can see, you can download responses in the form of CSV form. So this is the process where with the help of this, you can create a Google form for your future purpose. Thank you.